This one. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it, okay? Today's video we are looking at how to end your song in a professional way. This video we are in the key of E flat, but I'll be playing the key of F. I'm going to break down everything that I'm doing, then basically show you the songs that you can basically use to apply, okay? So with that being said, let's check the song. Looking at this particular song, YABO, okay? Basically, I'm doing the one, okay? Then but that is not what we are looking at for today, okay? So let's check the movement that I was just doing, okay? So let's break it down slowly, okay? So I was doing this. Okay, chromatic walk down, okay? So this is more of like classical play or classical ending, okay? So basically I want to end the song, okay? Let's say for example you want to end the song, you don't know how to end it. Most of the time when we are playing piano or you are playing strings, when we are ending it, we just go to the T like that, okay? There's nothing wrong playing the T-do version, okay? But sometimes you need to change the atmosphere a little bit, or you need to spice up or up your game a little bit. That's why I'm creating this particular series, the aux series, okay? When you are playing like an aux player, you don't have to do the T, okay? Unless maybe the person that you are playing for is highly or into Pentecostal play, that's when you play the T-do like that, okay? But when you are playing in a professional band or anything of that sort, you need to up your game. You don't have to always do the T-do. They will tell you that you are a local champion or something of that sort, okay? So today's video we are looking at how to up our game, how to end the song professionally, okay? So we are looking at the chromatic wall down, okay, or classical ending. So let's check what I'm doing. So what am I doing? I'm doing this. So basically, as you can see, both my left and the right hand is doing. Let's check what I'm doing slowly. One more time. Check the left hand. The left hand, I'm still holding the F. Okay, so whatever I play, still the F. Then I'm using the thumb to slide down, okay, like that. One more time, still holding the F. mane buso yebio wayebio wayebia mane wayebio wayebio wayebia mane subscribe if you haven't. More videos like this is coming your way. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.